Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fade out the points that you've already staked. So this helps declutter your screen when you're doing some staking. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the bottom left corner where my plumb bob icon lives. I'm going to open up my main menu and select Settings and then Options. Within my Options menu here, I'm going to scroll down till I see my staking one and then scroll down a bit further till I see the option that I'm looking for, which is Fade Staked Out Points. So what this will do, as I said at the beginning of the video, is once that point is staked, it will remove it from map screen and fade it into the background, helping to declutter what you're looking at. But once you have it selected, what you're going to do is click on OK, at which point you will have to restart FieldGenius for this to take place. Don't worry, if you have any data you're working on, it is automatically saved, so go ahead and do that, and you're ready to begin surveying and staking again. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use MicroSurvey's FieldGenius to help declutter your stakeout screen. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.